The 2026 Genesis X Speedium GT isn't just another electric performance car entering the market. It's a bold statement from Genesis, a clear message that luxury, innovation, and emotional design can exist in perfect harmony. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this stunning machine: its exterior styling, interior craftsmanship, performance capabilities, technology, and of course, expected pricing. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what might be one of the most beautiful Fs of the decade. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The X Speedium GT is sculpted with a design language that feels both futuristic and deeply artistic. Genesis takes inspiration from classic Grand Tourers, but the end result is something far more modern and expressive. The front end features the signature Genesis two-line lighting, now stretched into a thin, uninterrupted LED that almost wraps around the nose of the car. Since electric vehicles don't need traditional grills, Genesis went with a clean, aerodynamic face that enhances airflow while keeping that recognizable Genesis identity. The long hood, fastback-style roofline, and wide rear shoulders give it the proportions of a true GT car, but with the sleekness of a concept vehicle brought to life. The Speedium green paint, originally created for the concept model, returns for 2026 and looks incredibly rich and metallic under the sun. Subtle carbon fiber accents along the sills and rear diffuser add just the right amount of aggression. Even the wheels are designed to maximize aerodynamic efficiency while still looking bold and sculptural. From every angle, the X Speedium GT looks like it's moving even when parked. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Genesis X Speedium GT is a blend of elegance, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Genesis continues its philosophy of beauty of white space, where minimalism meets luxury. The cabin wraps around the driver like a cockpit, with a seamless curved LED display that houses the instrument cluster and infotainment system in one flowing panel. The materials are a mix of sustainable leather alternatives, recycled aluminium trim, and hand-stitched textures that feel incredibly premium. The bucket seats are slim, sporty, and supportive, made from eco-friendly materials that still offer a rich, luxurious feel. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, integrated into the door panels, dashboard, and even the floating center console. Every element seems handcrafted with intention. Even the steering wheel follows a futuristic approach, with a flat-top design and haptic controls that allow the driver to navigate menus without distracting from the road. The panoramic roof enhances the spacious, airy feel, while active noise cancellation keeps the cabin silent even at high speeds. Genesis also integrates its latest AI-powered interface, which learns driver preferences, adjusts settings automatically, and provides real-time driving recommendations. It's a space that blends serenity with futuristic sophistication. But the X Speedium GT isn't just about looks. Under the sleek exterior is an advanced dual-motor electric powertrain offering blistering performance. The 2026 model is expected to push out around 600 to 650 horsepower, with instant torque providing rapid acceleration. Early testing estimates show a 0-60 mph time in the mid-3-second range, making it competitive with high-performance European GTs. The larger performance battery pack offers a range of around 350 to 380 miles, giving drivers plenty of freedom for long-distance cruising. And with 350 kilowatts ultra-fast charging support, the battery can recharge from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes. Genesis also tuned the car's suspension with adaptive dampers and rear-wheel steering, offering sharper handling, tighter cornering, and improved stability at high speeds. The all-wheel drive system is torque vectoring, meaning the car can shift power instantly between wheels to maintain grip and performance. The drive modes include Comfort, Sport, Eco, and a new GT mode that sharpens throttle response, tightens steering, and enhances sound simulation inside the cabin. Yes, Genesis has introduced a customizable digital performance sound to give the F a more emotional driving feel, whether cruising quietly or carving through corners. The X-Speedium GT delivers a balanced and refined driving experience. As for pricing, Genesis hasn't released final numbers yet, but industry estimates place the 2026 X-Speedium GT somewhere between $95,000 and $120,000 depending on trim levels and options. That places it below many European competitors in the high-performance luxury F segment, but still firmly in premium territory. Considering the design, craftsmanship, technology, and performance, the price aligns with what Genesis is offering, a luxury grand tourer that pushes the boundaries of electric performance without entering the ultra-exotic price range. The 2026 Genesis X-Speedium GT represents a bold evolution for the brand. Genesis is no longer just competing, it's redefining what a modern luxury F can look and feel like. With stunning design, a beautifully crafted interior, strong performance, and advanced technology, the Speedium GT has everything it needs to stand alongside the world's best electric GT cars. It's elegant, futuristic, and emotionally engaging, proving that electric cars can be more than just fashion, they can be art. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content about the newest and most exciting automotive innovations, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Genesis X-Speedium GT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.